Hey guys, and welcome to Metallic Acid Customs. My name is Justin, and it is with great pleasure that I can share with you the latest addition to my workshop. This is the S-720, a router manufactured by CNC-Step in Germany. I would firstly like to announce the channel's partnership with CNC-Step that will allow the creation of beautiful CNC router parts and quality video content for this channel. This basically means that all of the PC modding projects going forward will be in video format, where I can showcase this machine in action while it creates the custom parts from, say, aluminium or acrylic for the custom computers that I build. The 720T has a cutting area of 720 by 420mm, which is pretty much a perfect size for my workshop and the parts that I manufacture. I'm able to easily produce polished edges, as the machine is very rigid and forgiving in terms of how precise I have to be with my feeds and speeds, which is great for a machining newbie such as myself. There is a T-slot mounting system which allows easy mounting of the workpiece, but in the near future I'll be creating a sacrificial bed with coordinate system for even higher accuracy and improved workflow during CAM programming, hopefully. Some additional accessories that I use are the Z Finder, which is the button that I place on top of the material to be cut, so that the end mill in the spindle will always have the correct height in the vertical axis every time. I'm also using a Nulga mist cooling system. This air compressor pushes air past the coolant holder, and via an action called Venturi, coolant is sucked up and mixed with the air. The coolant is atomized into tiny droplets, which are then sprayed onto the end mill, providing cooling and lubrication. This basically lengthens the tool life and provides a better cut as well. This is the 04 controller. It has the power button and the emergency stop button, and trust me, I know the button works. I've had to use it quite a few times during the first few weeks of using the machine. That's pretty much it. I hope you stick around for more content on the channel, and I will hopefully see you at the next update. Cheers guys.